Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to change password on Reader for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First, you go to the Reader application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Reader. And after that, click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And let's move to setting and privacy. Click on. Okay, the next step, you can click your account. Click on your account. Okay, that you can see that I have the account information, change password, download and archive your data, and the second one is the active account. Okay, click on the change your password. You cannot type the new password, and don't forget to type about your current password first. Type the new password and confirm for the new password. And after you type all of the blank one, you can click the update password. And your password is successfully to change it. Okay. This is a tutorial how to change password on Reader for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.